This is a ground ball to the right side. It's going to play to run as Jack Conley drives home Aldrum corridor. Wendell Rio advances to third on that ground out. The plays. 2 balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. This is sent deep to right field. Ortiz on the run, and it's well over the wall. The lefty, a 2-hit day with a solo home run, puts the Somerset Patriots on the board. Up the middle, Acuna goes. Backhanded by Bastidas behind the bag, and it's picked out of the dirt by Chad Bell. Up into the lefty batter's box. McKay gets a pop-up, and it gets past Jonathan Guzman, and this will tie the game at 2, a blooper off the bat of Rosario. Ground ball up the middle, and it's going to get through. They were playing in. 1 run will score. Play at the plate is no good. 2 runs will score, and Somerset leads 4-2. And Somerset has quietly erupted here.